Here are the ingredients for the cheesy potatoes. I do make it in the crock pot because it makes it easy. I make it a double recipe. You could half everything and be fine, but you want to mix everything outside of your crock pot because it's just easier to get it all integrated. We're gonna chop an entire onion. We're gonna melt 2 sticks of butter. We're gonna do 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cans of cream of onion. I am going to do about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of paprika. I have my salt and pepper here. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of each of those, and then I will season it at the end. Generally with my seasonings, I just shake and I kind of go by scent and I just kind of add it. But I'll do about a teaspoon of each. And we are going to use all 4 cups of the shredded cheddar, so we will dump the entire bag in. So this is gonna go in the crock pot. I have it on all day on low, and I do stir it occasionally. You don't have to stir it if you can't, but it'll get a little crispier on the edges and the cheese might stick if you don't. I like to spray the inside of my crock pot with olive oil so that hopefully you get less of the cheese sticking. This is such a wonderful dish to pass, so let's get it going. This is a little over 6 hours on low, and I just gave it a stir. My kids just came home from school. It's still a few hours before we eat dinner at my in-laws, but they're all having a bowl because they're my taste testers. So you're eating it right now. How is it, Mila?
Very good.
Do you love this?
Yes, I do.
Mila is the reason I made my own recipe because she is my vegetarian, so I don't use cream of chicken. She is not vegan, so sour cream and butter are still good in there. Cheese. Obviously, this would not be a vegan recipe. There's my LCK. You give your approval too?